Hey everybody, it's Cory with the Burnaby Board of Trade. I want to give you an update on the Canada Emergency Business Account, which is those $40,000 loans, interest-free for small business. Super important. They just came out. Today is the 9th, and the details just came out from all the banks and most of the credit unions that are offering this on how you can apply through your financial institution. So what's going on? What does it mean? Let me tell you the details. So the Canada Emergency Business Account, it's interest-free lines of credit up to $40,000. Some of them are calling them loans, some of them calling them lines of credit, but you would draw that down up to a max of $40,000. It's for qualifying small businesses to be able to get them through the next little while. Small businesses and not-for-profits are eligible, and you want to go through your financial institutions to get this done. You need a payroll of between $50,000 and $1 million. So full stop, that's the criteria. So obviously over $1 million, if you're getting too large of a company, there's some other programs, whether it's just market financing, or there is that BDC program where BDC is offering some substantial loans through their program. So reach out to me at the Board of Trade. I've got connections with BDC and can tie you into that and give you more information on that one. But if you do have a threshold, a payroll between the threshold of $50,000 and $1 million in 2019, you can tap into these interest-free loans. We are trying to fight this and push for the floor of that to be dropped. I can understand the $1 million cap fine, but we're thinking the floor of $50,000 in 2019 is ruling out new businesses. It's ruling out people that the business may be run by a sole proprietor or business owner who takes income a different way. Maybe they have a bit of a part-time help, but not really. But they're not going to be able to meet that threshold. So we're pushing for that $50,000 threshold to be relaxed. Either get rid of it, the whole thing, or relax it so we get a bit more businesses taking advantage of these loans. Because in the end, they're a loan. Most of it's going to get paid back. So we think the broader we can make this, the better. Now, what makes this really interesting and worthwhile for your business to consider is that it's an interest-free loan between now and December 31st, 2022. You don't have to make any payments on the loan, and there's no interest on it. And especially if you can pay it back by that point, if you can pay it back by December 31st, 2022, then up to 25% of the loan, or 25% of the loan up to $10,000 will be covered. So if you took that full $40,000 out, used it, and then were able to pay it back by December 2022, you're going to get $10,000 of that back. So you'll pay back the $30,000 and you'll be able to get forgiven for the $10,000. So it's free money in the sense that it's no interest loans, and there's a potential forgiveness which is almost a grant then for businesses. So this is being guaranteed by the federal government, but it's run by your financial institution. So chat with your bank, chat with your credit union, whoever you do your banking with. You can only apply once, and not more than once, and because you can't shop around to different banks. You need to go to the bank you use for your business account, and you need to apply to them, and hopefully they get this done pretty quick. If you need the loan to go after that, it just becomes a traditional loan with your bank after that December 22nd, 2022 deadline. So keep an eye out. It's called the Canada Emergency Business Account. Just opened today on Thursday, April 9th. This banks all have it open right now. So go take a look, talk to your bank, and hopefully it helps you get through the next little while of this COVID crisis. Thanks a lot. Take care.